Hi, today we're making the most delicious chicken satay. Follow this great recipe at home to make these delicious chicken skewers. For details on the recipe and measurements, follow the link in the description. For details on the measurements and the complete recipe, please follow the link in the description. Heat a small pan. Dry roast or toast the cumin and fennel seeds, stirring till they emit a nice aroma and start to crackle. To a small processor or mixer grinder, add the shallots, the galangal. Galangal is a rhizome, a member of the ginger family, but harder in texture. Add the ginger, garlic, fresh turmeric. Turmeric root is preferred over turmeric powder for this recipe, but if you can't get it, you can use the powder. Also add the roasted spices, cumin and fennel, coriander powder, palm sugar, and the oil. Process all these ingredients till you get a nice smooth paste. Soak the tamarind pulp in hot water for 10 minutes, then use a strainer to strain or squeeze out the liquid from the pulp. The thickened, strained liquid is used in the recipe. For the chicken satay skewers, we're using fillet of chicken, either breast meat or thigh meat cut into long strips. Add the specified amount of the tamarind solution into the ground mixture and add the paste to the chicken. Rub well into the chicken to coat thoroughly. Marinate in a covered container in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or overnight if possible. Cut off the hard base of the lemongrass stalk and then crush the bulb portion using the pestle or a back of a knife. This forms the lemongrass stalk into a brush-like utensil used for basting the chicken while grilling. It adds great aroma. Also soak the skewers in cold water till it's time to grill. Prepare the peanut sauce for the satay before it's time to grill. Check out our recipe. Spread the chicken strips onto the skewers using a twisting and pleating and scrunching action. Brush with the lemongrass stalk dipped in oil and place over hot charcoal on the barbecue. You can also make the chicken satay at home with the same barbecue charcoal effect. Do so by placing the chicken in a bowl with a small cup in the center. Heat a small piece of charcoal on an open flame till it's piping red hot. Immediately place inside the steel bowl and pour a tablespoon of oil over it. As it begins to smoke, quickly cover the bowl and place a weight over the top to prevent any smoke from escaping. Wait for 10 minutes till the smoke has died down and the chicken is now nicely smoked. Continue to skewer the chicken pieces. Spread the strips of chicken onto the skewers with a twisting, turning, and scrunching action to make pleats of the chicken strips, like this. Apply oil to the chicken with the lemongrass basting brush that we made earlier. In a grill pan, drizzle some oil to coat the pan. Bring to moderate heat. Grill on each side for around 2 minutes. Tilt the pan so that the oil is evenly distributed. Don't disturb the chicken skewers until the bottom is cooked. Check to see by using a spatula to see if the chicken gets released easily without sticking. When you have nice grill marks, turn over and repeat on the other side. Don't forget to apply some oil using our lemongrass basting brush. Proceed to grill the remaining 2 narrow sides of the chicken as well till they're cooked through, about a minute per side. Gather the skewers closer together so that they don't fall over. Grill the chicken till tender and cooked through, and there are no more white spots remaining on the chicken. Don't over-grill as this tends to dry out the satay. Take a bite, it's delicious. Serve with cucumber, onion, and don't forget the peanut sauce. We hope you enjoyed our recipe. For this and many more great recipes, visit recipesaresimple.com. And don't forget to subscribe.